everyone! Let's attempt to make something delicious today.
Today we'll be making cheese and vegetable aubergine rings with teriyaki sauce. For the ingredients, you will need 2 aubergines, 1 onion, half a red pepper, however much cheese you like, 1 bulb of garlic, and 2 eggs. Mix everything together and marinate the mixture with a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Cut the aubergine into slices and use a spoon to scoop out the centre to form a ring. Dice the flesh and add it to the mixture. Coat the aubergine rings with cornstarch. For the teriyaki sauce, you will need half a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of sake, 1 teaspoon of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Heat up some oil and place the aubergine rings in, then fill them with the mixture. Cook on both sides for around 2 minutes on medium heat. Flip them over and cook on both sides again for around 3 minutes on low heat. Once you've taken everything out, heat up the sauce and add a dash of water and some cornstarch. Now you're ready to serve. Garnish with spring onions and enjoy. Thanks for watching.